Hey guys, what's going on? We're going to top up the diesel exhaust fluid on this 2015 BMW X5 35D. Before we do that, we're going to clean up all this old dry stuff in the fill points on both sides so we don't get any of that in the system. When you're dealing with this stuff, you want to wear gloves. I recommend a mask, eye protection, and you don't want to get this on your skin, your clothes, or any parts of the vehicle. So be careful with this stuff. You can buy this stuff in bulk bottles like this one. This is 9.46 liters. It's about $17. Or this one that has the automatic fill nozzle. It's 1.5 liters for about $20. So much more economical to buy the big jug like this. So what you can do is buy one of these, use it up, and once it's used up, cut off the bottom of the bottle so you have the automatic fill nozzle, and you can pour the bulk stuff into the bottom of that. Besides being safe with this stuff, you don't want to overfill the system. If you do, you could potentially cause damage to the tank's vent system. So by using this filling nozzle, it'll prevent you from overfilling the system. Okay, so clean the crud in the spill trays around the filling nozzle. Taking the lid off the fill bottle. Put it in place, screw it on. And you'll notice before I start the fill here, I put a bunch of shop rags around the filling port in case I have any spillage, so we can sop that up. So you can see the on button here to fill the DEF filling port. So I'll just press that and hold it, and it'll fill to the correct point and stop when it's full. Okay, it's only taken about a quarter of the bottle, so it really didn't need much. So once it's full, I just switch off the fill button and unscrew the container. And had a couple of drops spill, that's it. So as I mentioned, if you've used this whole bottle and you want to buy the cheaper stuff in bulk, so you just take a knife, cut off the bottom of the bottle, and then you can use your bulk DF to fill a bottle and just hold on to this filling nozzle for future use. It's as simple as it is to fill your DEF on this 2015 BMW X5 35D. Thanks for watching.